The biggest mistake everybody makes is just spin it half a dozen times counterclockwise. Don't worry about how many times, and don't go like this. You're just knocking the, people who go like this. You just want to go slow and steady. I always put my thumb about here. And we want to come dead on, so we're going to go about half a dozen times, stopping on your first number. And our first number is 20. Then we're going to pass 40, going clockwise, stopping on the third time. So we go once, twice, stopping on the third time. And our next number is 60, so we're going to pass it once, stopping on the second time. And now we go gently right to open until she stops. The safe is open. This right here solves the majority of your safe lockouts. People just don't dial it in properly. We go dead on. There's other things to, if the safe won't open after doing this, there's all sorts of other methods. Today we're just going to go through how to dial it in.